When the U.S. military withdrew from Afghanistan in August 2021, they left behind a vast array of military equipment that fell into the hands of the Taliban. This equipment, worth billions of dollars, covers everything from helicopters and armored vehicles to small arms and communication gear. Some of it was disabled, but much remains functional, raising concerns worldwide about how it might be used or maintained in the future. One of the most significant categories of equipment left behind was aircraft. The Taliban now possess several helicopters, including UH-60 Black Hawks, Mi-17S, which are Russian-made, and MD-530S. These helicopters are essential for transport and tactical missions. There were also several fixed-wing aircraft left behind, such as the A-29 Super Tucano, used for light attack missions, the C-130 Hercules, a massive transport aircraft, and the Cessna 208 Caravan. While some of these aircraft may not be fully operational due to the complex maintenance they require, they still represent a valuable asset. On the ground, vehicles left behind include armored vehicles like the M1117 Armored security vehicles and a large number of Humvees, which are known for their durability in rough terrains. The U.S. also left tactical vehicles like the M1151 Enhanced Armament Carriers and civilian-use vehicles such as Toyota Land Cruisers and Hilux pickups. These vehicles are crucial for mobility, allowing the Taliban to move quickly across various terrains, whether for transport or military operations. The sheer number of weapons left behind is staggering. Among the small arms, the Taliban now have access to M4 carbines, M16 rifles, M240 machine guns, M249 light machine guns, and a variety of AK-47s, which were captured from Afghan forces. Handguns like the Beretta M9 and Glock 19 were also part of the cache. For longer-range engagements, they have sniper rifles such as the M24 and Berret M82, 50 caliber. Add to this a significant number of rocket-propelled grenades, RPGs, and it becomes clear the Taliban now have an extensive arsenal. Beyond the firearms, there were heavy weapons like Howitzers left behind, specifically the M1117 towed Howitzers, which are formidable in combat. The Taliban also gained access to anti-tank weapons like the At4 Anti-tank rockets and gustav Recoilless rifles, giving them the ability to engage armored targets effectively. In addition to firepower, communication, and electronics equipment were left behind, which are crucial for coordinating operations. This includes radios, advanced communication devices, and night vision devices, enhancing the Taliban's ability to operate in low-light conditions. They also captured surveillance and reconnaissance drones, giving them the capability to conduct intelligence-gathering missions. Body armor and tactical gear were also part of the haul, with Kevlar helmets, bulletproof vests, combat uniforms, and various tactical gear like belts and pouches, enhancing the Taliban's operational readiness. These items are essential for protection and mobility in combat situations. To support ongoing operations, a wide range of logistics and support equipment was left behind. This includes fuel trucks, medical equipment, and generators, which are vital for maintaining operational bases. Construction equipment was also left, which could be used for infrastructure development or military purposes. Furthermore, artillery and indirect fire systems were part of the cache, including mortar systems and portable rocket launchers, which can be devastating on the battlefield. This gives the Taliban the ability to engage targets from long distances, providing a significant strategic advantage. Other notable items include miscellaneous equipment like handheld drones, which are crucial for reconnaissance missions, and EOD, explosive ordnance disposal robots, designed for safely disarming explosives. The Taliban also captured counter-IED, improvised explosive device equipment, which can be used to detect and disable roadside bombs, a significant threat in the region. While many of the most advanced pieces of equipment, particularly aircraft, were disabled before the U.S. withdrawal, plenty of military hardware, especially ground vehicles and smaller arms, remains operational. The big challenge for the Taliban will be maintaining and operating some of the more sophisticated systems that require extensive technical knowledge and spare parts, many of which are no longer available to them. The presence of this equipment in Taliban hands has sparked concerns globally, especially regarding its potential use or transfer to other militant groups. The question remains how this gear will shape the future of the region and what impact it will have on global security.